Welcome to London Kids Academy.
Hello, hello, the sea's calling me. Come take a dive in the deep blue sea, where bubbles dance and sunlight glows. A magical world that sparkles and flows. Clownfish hide where corals grow bright. Seahorses sway in the soft moonlight. A turtle glides slow, as calm as can be, while dolphins leap high with giggles of glee. Jellyfish float like lanterns aglow. Starfish rest where the soft tides flow. A crab clicks claws in a sideways race. Octopus waves from its secret place. A shiny silver fish swim in a crowd, moving together like a soft silver cloud. A shark swims by, both mighty and strong, but leaves us alone as we sing our song. Seaweed sways like dancers in green, hiding small creatures who like to stay unseen. The ocean is home to wonders galore, with treasures to find and places explore. So wave to the waves and the friends you